One of the questions I always receive when talking about Notion is, can you embed your Google Calendar to it or somehow connect your Google Calendar? And there is a way to do that, and today I'm going to show you how to set it up. Let's jump right in. Today I am going to be adding the Google Calendar into the Calm and Clear system, my system for ADHD entrepreneurs. That system already has a week view here for your tasks, but I do know that some people have a lot of appointments and would like to have their Google Calendar there as well. The first thing I'm going to do is set up an area for it. So I'm going to put it right under this week view, and I'm going to start by adding a call out. Once we have that, I'm going to change it so that it matches this other one. I like to do a default background, and for the icon, we will do a calendar. I'm going to put here Google Calendar. I like to make everything match, so we will do a nice brown font and put it in italic and bold. Now, what we are going to do is go ahead and open a site that we will use to create widgets. This is called Indify, and you can find this by going to indify.co. You will want to set up an account. You can log in with your Google or Gmail. That is what I did. Once you log in, it should look like this, and we're going to go ahead and click Add New Widget. From there, we are going to choose Google Calendar here, and I'm just going to put my name, hit continue, and they make it super easy. All that we are going to do is sign in with our Google account, so I will do that now. Once we've logged in, we're going to go ahead and close this window, and it should sync with our Google Calendar here. If you have more than one calendar, it will give you the option to show all of them. From there, you can go ahead and change how you want it to look. Personally, I really like having a week view, so I think that I will have that in mind. And I don't have anything between the hours of 7 and 6 p.m. just so that it becomes a bit shorter. Okay, the other thing that you can do is change any of these. I am going to leave the colors as is. These are some pro features if you want to mess around with these. I believe Indify Pro is like $2 a month if that's something you're interested in. But now what we're looking for is this down here. We are going to go ahead and copy this, open up Notion, and below here, if we press Shift Return, it will keep us in the call out. I am going to type a slash and then embed, and I'm going to put this link, and it should pop up here with our Google Calendar. Now it's going to look kind of funny at first. I'm going to drag it back in here, and what you can do to resize it, and this works with all widgets, is drag the black bars here. There you go. And now if I did have any appointments, let's see if I go to next week, I have a appointment there you can see. But if your calendar is full, you would be able to see everything here. You can move things around in here, which is also pretty cool. We can just drag this if we want to change, and if we hit new, it'll let us put in a new appointment. If you are somebody that really likes to have your Google Calendar handy at all times and you just want to be using Notion, this is a really easy way to ensure that you can view your Google Calendar right in Notion and make small adjustments to it. There we go. That is how you add your Google Calendar to your Notion. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a like. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments, and if you are new to Notion or have ADHD and want to learn more about life with ADHD, come and join us in Discord. There is an invite link on my website. Thanks.